How to detox your liver in 3 days for renewed vitality and wellness. How to detox your liver in 3 days. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down by the toxins that accumulate in your body? Do you want to rejuvenate your liver and boost your overall well-being in just 3 days? Introducing Live Pure, the ultimate solution for detoxifying your liver in just 3 days. Imagine waking up every morning with boundless energy, a clearer mind, and a body that feels revitalized. With Live Pure, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. So, how does it work? Live Pure's unique blend of natural ingredients is scientifically designed to target and cleanse your liver, the body's primary detoxification organ. Your liver works tirelessly to filter out toxins, but over time, it can become overwhelmed, leaving you feeling sluggish and unwell. Live Pure helps supercharge your liver's detoxification process. Imagine waking up on day 1 of your Live Pure journey. You'll feel a burst of energy, as if a fog has been lifted from your mind. Day 2, you'll notice improved digestion, and you'll savor the taste of your favorite foods like never before. By day 3, you'll be walking on air, feeling lighter, healthier, and more vibrant than you have in years. Why choose Live Pure for your 3-day liver detox journey? Our formula is packed with natural ingredients like milk thistle, dandelion root, and artichoke extract, known for their potent detoxifying properties. Live Pure is rigorously tested in state-of-the-art laboratories to ensure safety and effectiveness, so you can trust what you're putting into your body. Just take a look at these incredible before and after stories from real Live Pure users. Customer Brian, Live Pure transformed my life. I feel like a whole new person. Customer Carlene, I can't believe how much better I feel in just 3 days. Live Pure is a game changer. We're so confident in Live Pure's ability to detoxify your liver and improve your well-being that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely thrilled with your results, simply return it for a full refund. No questions asked. But that's not all. Order now, and you'll receive a special discount on your first supply of Live Pure. This offer won't last long, so act now to start your 3-day liver detox journey. Don't let toxins hold you back any longer. Detoxify your liver in just 3 days with Live Pure and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Before we go, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to follow the link in the description below to learn more about how to detox your liver in just 3 days with Live Pure. Visit our website below to order Live Pure today. Your liver, and your body, will thank you. Live Pure, your path to a cleaner, healthier, and more energized you. Live Pure, 3 days to a better you. Thanks for watching.